Dear students, you have learnt about addition and subtraction of fractions. Now let us solve some statement problems related to addition and subtraction of fractions. Now first problem is a rectangular sheet of paper is 12.5 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Now this is a rectangular sheet of paper. This is 12.5 centimeter long. The length of the paper is 12.5 centimeter. And 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. The breadth of the sheet is 10 2 by 3 centimeter. Now find its perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means sum of the sides. Rectangle has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 lengths and 2 breadths. Opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. If this is 12.5 centimeter, this is also 12.5 centimeter. If the breadth is 10 2 by 3 centimeter, this is also 10 2 by 3 centimeter. Now find the perimeter, means we have to find the sum of the sides. Now perimeter is equal to sum of the sides. Add 4 sides. I will start from here. This is 12.5 centimeter plus this is 10 2 by 3 centimeter plus then again 12.5 centimeter, then again 10 2 by 3 centimeter. Now see, perimeter is, if you start from here, perimeter means the length along the edge. This length is called perimeter. Now convert into improper fraction. 2 12s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 2 plus 3 10s are 30, then add 2, 32 by 3. This is 25 by 2 and 3 10s are 30 plus 32 by 3. You can add the fractions if the denominators are equal. See here, 32 by 3 and 32 by 3. Denominators are equal. So I will regroup like this. 25 by 2s are there. So I will write them together. You can add the numbers by making into different groups. That is called associative property of addition. Now add this together and add this together. 25 by 2 plus 25 by 2. 50 by 2. You have to add only the numerators. Keep the denominator as it is. 32 plus 32. 64 by 3. Now denominators are not equal. You cannot add. So you have to make the denominators equal by taking their LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, or you can cancel here. 2 ones are 2, 25s are. So 25 plus 64 by 3. Now, so LCM of, here denominator is not there. LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. Write 3 in the denominator. In the numerator, 25 into 3 plus 64. While adding a whole number and a fraction, write denominator as it is. Multiply whole number with the denominator, 25 into 3 plus 64. This is the shortest way. Without finding LCM, we can do like this. 25 3s are 75 plus 64 by 3. 5 plus 4 9, 7 plus 6 13 by 3. So perimeter of rectangular sheet of paper is 139 by 3, or you can convert into improper mixed fraction. 3 4s are 12, 1, 3 6 are 18. Now 139 by 3 centimeter can be written as 46 1 by 3. 46 1 by 3 centimeter. This is the perimeter of rectangular sheet of paper. Now find the perimeters of first one, triangle ABE and the triangle BCDE in this figure, whose perimeter is greater. First you have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means sum of the sides. First find perimeter of triangle ABE. Perimeter of triangle ABE. Now the sides of triangle ABE are AB, BE and AE. AB, BE and AE. What is the length of AB? 5 by 2 centimeter. What is the length of BE? 2 3 by 4 centimeter. What is the length of AE? 3 3 by 5 centimeter. Now here there is mixed fraction, so convert into improper. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 4 plus 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18 by 5. Now 5 by 2, 11 by 4, 18 by 5. Denominators are not equal, so you have to find the LCM to make the denominators equal. LCM of 2, 4 and 5. If you are adding fractions, more than 2 fractions, add all the fractions together. Take the LCM of all the denominators together. That will be easiest for you. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, then 5. 5. Divide till you get 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5, that is 20. So denominator is 20, write only once. All the denominators are 20. So make it 20. You have to multiply by 10. 2 tens are. Multiply that number only to the numerator. For this, 4 how much are 24 5s are. Here also multiply by 5. Here 5 how much are 20. 5 4s are 20. Multiply same number to the numerator. Now 5 tens are 50. 11 5s are 55. 18 4s are 72. Now 50 plus 55 plus 72 is how much? 7. 0 plus 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 10, 17 by 20 centimeter. Now you have to find the perimeter of triangle BCD. Perimeter of rectangle BCDE. Which are the sides of rectangle BCDE? See here, BCDE. It has 4 sides. Sides are BC, BC, then CD, then DE, then B. BC plus CD plus DE plus BE. So BC is equal to, we don't have the length of BC. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Look at the opposite side, that is DE. That is equal to 7 by 6 centimeter. So the length of BC is 7 by 6 centimeter. Then CD. So there is no length for CD. Look at the opposite side. B, that is 2, 3 by 4 centimeter. So CD also 2, 3 by 4 centimeter. Because in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. D, length of D is 7 by 6 plus length of B is 2, 3 by 4. Now 7 by 6 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6 plus 11 by 4. Now 7 by 6 plus 7 by 6 is equal to how much? Denominators are equal. Then 11 by 4 plus 11 by 4. 7 by 6 plus 7 by 6. 14 by 6. 11 by 4 plus 11 by 4. 22 by 4. LCM of 6 and 4 is 2 3s are 2 2s are 3 is not divisible by 2. Write as it is. 2 1s are. So LCM of 6 and 4 is 2 into 2 into 3. That is 12. Write 12 in the denominator. 6. To make the denominator 12, you have to multiply 6 by 2. Same number to the numerator. Here 4 3s are. Here also 3. So 14 2s are 28. 22 into 3, 66. That is equal to 4. 14, 1 remains. 6 plus 2, 8, 9. 94 by 12. So perimeter of BCD is 94 by 12 centimeter. Now whose perimeter is greater? Now here we have 177 by 20. Here we have 94 by 12. Which is greater? Let us compare now. (177 by 20 and 94 by 12. To compare, denominators are not equal. To make the denominators equal, find the LCM. 20 and 12. Two fives are, two threes are, 5 ones are, then 3 ones are. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. 4 fives are 20, 23s are 60. Now make the denominator 60. Here also you have to make 60. 20, how much are 60? 23. 3 sevens are 21, 2 remains. 3 sevens are 21, 22, 23. 3 ones are 3, 4, 5. 5 fours are 20, 2 remains. 5 nines are 45, 46, 47. Now which is greater? 531 is greater. So 177 by 20 is greater than 94 by 12. Therefore, triangle has greater perimeter. Now, look at the question. You have to understand the statement. See here, Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. Salil wants to put a picture, he drew picture and he wants to put in a frame. Now the picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide, 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. Now to fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by centimeter wide. Now fit in, because the width of the frame, this is 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. Frame is only 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide, but picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. Now to fit in the frame, how much should the picture be trimmed? See, here picture is wider than the frame, so you have to trim, you have to cut this part and this part. So how much should the picture be trimmed? Now picture to be trimmed, how much? Means from width of the picture, minus width of frame. Here picture is wider than the frame, so you have to trim the picture to fit in the frame. Width of the picture is 7 3 by 10 minus width of the width of the picture is 7 3/5 centimeter minus frame is 7 3/10 centimeter. So how much the picture should be trimmed? You have to subtract. You have to subtract the width of the frame from the width of the picture. Now 5 7s are 35 plus 3, 38/5 minus 10 7s are 70 plus 3, 73/10. Now LCM of 5 and 10 is 5 2s are 5 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Now 2 1s are, so LCM is equal to 5 into 2, that is 10. 5 into 2, that is 10. So now make the denominator 10. We have to multiply by 2. Here there is 10 in the denominator, so no need of multiplying. 38 2s are 76 minus 73. So picture has to be trimmed by 3/10 centimeter. We have to cut 3/10 centimeter from left and right together. Now see here, 3 to 8, 3/5 part of an apple. 3 to 8, 3/5 part of an apple. He ate 3 parts out of 5 parts. And the remaining apple, remaining 2 parts, was eaten by her brother Somu. By his brother Somu. Now how much part of the apple did Somu eat? How much part of the apple did Somu eat? You can see here Somu eat this much part. This is 2 part out of 5 equal parts. So you can see here 2/5. Who had the larger share? By how much? Who had the larger share? Who ate more? 3 to 8 more. By how much? Means you have to subtract. Now 3 to 8, 3/5 part of an apple, and the remaining apple was eaten by his brother. Okay. So now how much part of the apple did Somu eat? Part of the apple Somu ate is equal to, first they had 1 apple minus part of the apple 3 to 8, that is 3/5. Whole apple minus part of apple 3 to 8. 3 to 8. So 1 whole apple minus the part of apple 8/3. So now subtract. Denominator is 5. 5 1s are 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2/5. Who had the larger share? Now Somu ate 3 by 5. Sorry. Somu ate 2 by 5. Ritu ate 3 by 5. Who ate more? Compare now. Denominators are equal. Compare the numerator. 3 is greater than 2. So 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. So Ritu had the larger share. By how much? By how much means you have to subtract 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. That is 1 by 5. Ritu had the larger share by how much? By 1 by 5. Ritu ate one part more than Somu. Now, Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Michael finished coloring picture in 7 by 12 hours. He took 7 by 12 hours. Now, Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? Now, Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer? Means you have to compare. Here denominators are not equal, so make the denominators equal. Here 12 is the multiple of 4. So 4 3s are 12. Here also multiply by 3. So 7 by 12, 9 by 12, which is greater. Denominators are equal. Compare the numerator. Greater numerator fraction is greater. So 3 by 4 is greater than 7 by 12. So who worked longer? Vaibhav worked longer. By how much? By how much means you have to subtract 3 by 4 minus 7 by 12. 4 3s are 3. 3 3s are 9 minus 7. That is 2 by 12. 2 1s are 2 6 are. So Vaibhav worked longer by 1 by 6 hours. Vaibhav took 1 by 6 hours more than Michael.